Hello students, today we are going to learn about TextPaint. TextPaint is a very interesting and entertainment program. It is a wonderful drawing program for children. TextPaint has a lot of creative tools, funny animations and magical effects which make it one of the best drawing softwares. TextPaint has different features. TextPaint is freely available and can work on multiple platforms. It has sound effects when tools are selected. Many drawing tools are available. It can be translated into many languages. How to open TextPaint? Follow these steps in Windows XP and Windows 7. Finally, TextPaint screen appears. It is split into 5 sections as shown here: Toolbox, Selector, Canvas, Information Area, Color Palette. Toolbox. Toolbox contains the various basic tools and application controls. For examples, undo, save, new, print, etc. Canvas. Canvas is the largest part of the screen. It's where the image are drawn and edited. Color palette. Color palette is where colors can be chosen. Selector. Selector providing various selectable objects depending on the current tool, for example, brushes, fonts, or subtools. Information area. Information area is where instructions, tips, and encouragement are provided. This area is also known as the help area. Working with TextPaint tools. TextPaint has many tools and sub-tools. Using these tools, different drawings can be made. There are more than 50 magical effects and paint brush shapes in TextPaint. Now let us learn more about TextPaint tools. Let us learn how to draw various shapes using this tool and rotate them at various angles. First, you select the Shapes tool from the toolbox. Select the shape from the sub-toolbox on the right hand side. You see, either choose the blank square or a filled square. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area and draw the shape. Use the mouse to drag and fix the size of the shape using the mouse. Now use the spin arrow to rotate the shape. Once done, click again in the drawing area to see the final image. Use the steps explained here. We can draw different shapes. Shapes tool allows creating 16 different shapes. The stamp tool. The stamp tool is used to paste pictures of different objects like a tree, a mouse, a house, a flower, etc. on the drawing canvas. It is like a set of rubber stamps or stickers. The stamps are grouped under numerous categories, for example, animals, plants, outer space, vehicles, people, etc. They are available on the right. Stamp tool offers 4 extra options. Now we'll see here the first option, left and right arrows. These help to cycle through the collections. Mirror image. The mirror image of the selected stamp is displayed. Flip image vertically. This option helps to vertically flip the image. Increase, decrease the size of the image. The size of the stamp can be increased or decreased by using these control tools located at the bottom of the screen. Different stamps have different sound effects and descriptive sounds. Buttons at the lower left side allow you to replay and the sound effects and descriptive sounds for the currently selected stamp. How to use the stamp tool? Now select the stamps tool from the toolbox. Then select the stamp from the sub toolbox on the right hand side. Now click the left or right arrows to view all the stamps available. Now select the stamp and click on it. Now define the size and type of image from the extra options. At last, bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area and paste the stamp.